Ever pondered the convenience of laundry services? Picture this: no big laundry machine appliance taking up space in your tiny home, yet heavy covers for washing have a solution: the drop-in do-it-yourself in laundry shop. Just walk into the place, pay only for the wash and drying load. Even liquid detergent is conveniently made available on a carte. A wash takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Not too long, right? Just enough time to lose yourself in the pages of a good book, or catch up on the latest social media trends on your phone. And then comes the drying. Another 20 to 30 minutes. And time flies when you're engrossed in a gripping novel or watching cute cat videos on your phone. The beauty of the do-it-yourself laundry shop isn't just in its convenience, it's also in its cost-effectiveness. No need to buy and maintain an expensive machine. The washing cost is merely 65 pesos. That's right, just 65. And so is drying. No need to break the bank to have clean, fresh laundry. Apart from the regular serviced laundry, there's the DIY laundry option you can also try. Practical,